As more and more media channels emerge, it's even harder to capture consumers' attention. Sure, digital and print marketing are great for getting the word out, but nothing attracts people's attention like a free sample. SampleMax has a new way to help magazine publishers and their advertisers share product samples. It used to be that magazine product samples could only be offered via thin packets inside the magazine, but SampleMax allows the product and its messaging to be displayed outside the magazine. It's a great way to advertise products like colognes and perfumes, shampoos, lotions, soaps, powder drinks, car waxes, and more. The SampleMax system can be used with any size publication, whether it's 100 pages or 1,000, perfect bound or saddle stitched. What's more, SampleMax is approved by the United States Postal Classification Center as a periodical supplement. With SampleMax, everybody wins. Publishers can grab more attention for their magazines on the racks. Advertisers have more highly visible space in retail locations to display and share their products, and an exciting new way to share samples. And customers, they have the opportunity to immediately receive and try free product samples with the purchase of a magazine or through their subscription. To see what SampleMax can do for publishers, printers, advertisers, advertising agencies, media agencies, and manufacturers, visit SampleMaxInc.com or call us at 850-543-5493.